Okay, we are doing antonyms and synonyms, so you can get an idea how she uses her braille display.
Low G equals S-M-A-L-L, small.
Nice word. Okay, so she just did big and small. Okay, hit enter, and please give me, the word is happy, and give me the antonym for happy.
H-A-P-P-Y, happy, autocorrect, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, .5, low G equals S-A-D, sad.
Beautiful. Okay, and hit enter, and your word is fast, and give me the antonym for it.
F-A-S-T sign, fast, autocorrect, fast, F-A-S-T, .5, low G equals S-L-O-W,
hit enter.
Sign, slow.
Actually, let's go ahead and do insert space S so you can hush them up and just go ahead and do it from the braille.
Speech on demand.
Okay. Give me the word bright.
What made that pop?
It's because you know right is a contraction, Miss Smarty Pants. Please give me the antonym for bright.
How? How do we do that?
How about another word would be light? What would be the antonym for light? You know what the antonym is for bright or light?
No.
How about dark?
Yes.
Is that the antonym for you? Okay, go ahead and spell out dark. And then just double check your work on your braille display. Nice, okay. Okay, here we go. Please write out the word young. That's a great contraction. It's one of my favorite. Yeah, okay. And
why did it pop?
You know why it pops, because you sent up all the sounds on your computer to make it pop. And the antonym for young is?
Old.
Beautiful. Hit enter. Okay, young. Wait. Yeah, we already did that one. Sorry. Up. Up is your word. Beautiful. And give me the antonym for that. Beautiful. Hit enter. Let's love. Okay, and give me the antonym for it.
I don't know that.
You don't know the opposite of love?
No, do you?
How about hate? Is that the opposite of love?
Yeah.
If we don't love someone, there's usually hate involved. Is that true? I know. You don't hate anybody. I know. Yeah.
You love everybody.
Yeah, love is good. Okay, the word is rich. Okay, and what's the antonym to rich?
I don't know that. Do you?
I do. Think about it. If you're not rich and you have lots of money, what's the opposite of that? What's the opposite of having lots of money? It starts with a P. Where you have nothing. You've probably heard the word before. How about poor? Have you heard that word before?
Yeah.
Yeah, poor. So poor means you have absolutely no money or very little money. Go ahead and finish typing that out. Okay, hit enter. Okay, full. Your word is full. Okay, and what is the opposite or your antonym of full? Hungry. Hungry, yeah. Or empty, yeah. You are hungry. It's like, I need to eat something, please. Yeah, but you're going to be able to cook all your own food. Okay, hit enter.
Okay.
Okay, your word is day. Okay, and the antonym today is? Okay, beautiful. And enter. Okay, so we've got strong. Okay, and the antonym to strong is what?
Well, I don't know that.
Can't do anything. You have teeny, teeny, tiny muscles. I know you've heard. Oh no, I'm too. Starts with a W. Can't lift up things. Weak. Have you heard of that word?
Yeah.
Have you ever had Grampy say, "Oh, I'm too weak to pick that up. That's too big for me," or even Yammy? Hit enter. Last one. Open. Okay, and the antonym to open is nice job. Nice job. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do synonyms. So hit enter. Okay, your first word is big. What is a synonym for big? What is a synonym for big?
Well, I'm not sure.
Okay. Now, during the test, I'm not going to be able to give you hints, okay? But right now, we're just practicing. So, it's not small, I'm kind of giving you an antonym now. It's not small, it's big, or really huge, or small, medium. Well, big, huge, or large, right? Small, medium, or large. When you go to McDonald's, don't they always ask you, do you want small, medium, or large?
Yes.
Yes. Well, you probably have somebody bring you in. We're going to start, you need to start going to your fast food restaurants and ordering all by yourself. Okay, huge is a good word though too. Huge, large, both of those would be
Will
synonyms.
you teach me how to make coffee after I'm done?
You know what? When you're over at our house, I will teach you how to make coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, yep. Hit enter. Let's keep working on synonyms. Okay. So, give me the definition of antonym again. You gave me a perfect definition before.
Something that's the opposite.
Beautiful. And what's the definition of a synonym?
Something that's the same.
You are absolutely right. So we are working on same right now. So your word is happy. Give me a synonym for happy. Go ahead and braille out happy first. Okay, beautiful. And give me a synonym for that. What's a synonym for happy? There's lots of synonyms for happy.
Maybe proud.
Proud? Kinda. Proud is a little bit different than that. Proud is a little bit different. Happy, you're smiling, you're laughing. What do we call you when you're smiling? You're laughing, you're at your birthday party. You're not just happy, you are...
I'm good.
You are good. It's a word that starts with J. Do you know what that might be?
No.
Joyful?
Yeah.
Joy. Do you have lots of joy at your birthday party?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I get lights. We get lights. We celebrate somebody's birthday.
Yep, and there's birthday candles on the cake, and you get to blow out the birthday candles.
Yeah, to all the friends.
Yeah, to all your friends, yeah.
And they might be old.
Okay, let's do one more word for Dr. Jaffe, and I'll send this to her. So your word is smart. What is a synonym for smart? Okay, what is a synonym for smart? We call you smart all the time. What's another word for that? Because we use many words to tell you how smart you are.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, I think we're going to have to work on some synonyms. How about intelligent? Do you remember us telling that all the time?
How do you spell that?
Well, let's sound it out. In, tell, igent. See if you can sound that out. Girl, you rock. Very nice. So what you want to be able to do is sound out things all by yourself also. So when you hear a word, you want to be able to sound that out yourself. Okay, let's go ahead and send this off.